pay attention, this is the birth of the moon, about 5 billion years ago. The solar system was still in a state of chaos. The young Earth was just formed, its surface covered with a hot lava ocean. Rolling, laughing, the whole planet was like a hellish world. However, an uninvited guest was rushing in and added a new danger to the Earth, which was already in a state of unrest. An iron star is equivalent to Mars. A planet called Theia broke into the orbit of the Earth, and with a speed of a few kilometers per second, straight to the Earth. This crash shattered the universe. Theia and the fate of the Earth were intertwined from then on. A huge shockwave swept the entire Earth in an instant. The energy released was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs exploding at the same time. Theia was almost crushed to pieces, and the Earth was also hit by 1/3 of it. And since the rotation, there has been a cleanup. A large amount of land and ground matter was scattered into space, and the fragments produced by the impact were regathered under the influence of gravity, forming a fragmented disk orbiting the Earth. These fragments, after a long-term collision and integration, eventually form a wonderful new celestial body, the Moon. So what important roles did it play in the evolution of the Earth for billions of years? The early Moon was much closer to the Earth than it is now, and the surface was also covered by the scorching Yangtze River. It was like a huge fireball hanging in the sky of the Earth, reflecting the surface of the Earth. With the passage of time, the Moon gradually cooled down, forming the present Moon shell and Moon disk. It also began to slowly slide into orbit farther away from the Earth. That shocking collision not only created the Moon, but also had a profound impact on the evolution of the Earth. The Earth's rotation-oriented cleanup led to the formation of the 4 seasons, creating conditions for the evolution of life. The Moon's attraction to the Earth has successfully slowed down the Earth's rotation, and the Earth has gradually stabilized. This is a positive condition for the stability of the Earth's climate and the long-term evolution of life. The tidal force of the Moon has promoted the flow of the ocean, providing possibilities for the origin of life. Now, when we look up at the night sky and see the bright Moon, it may be hard to imagine that its birth process was so thrilling. The birth of the Moon is the culmination of the early movement of solar system. It also provides valuable clues for our exploration of the formation and evolution of stars.